Electrical Engineering Department at ITU offers the finest engineering programs in the country with specialized excellence in electronics, computing, communication and signal processing through BS, MS and PhD degrees. The department is equipped with state-of-the-art teaching and research labs in which students are professionally trained by our world-class faculty to equip them with valuable skills of creation, innovation and entrepreneurship. The department is a hub of cutting-edge research clusters focusing on developing innovative systems and solutions in AI and computation-driven engineering design, biomedical imaging and sensing, RF and microwave engineering, and biomedical circuits and systems. These research clusters are led by our qualified faculty members who are actively engaged in a variety of fascinating projects like microscopic systems for smart hematology, microwave imaging for early-stage breast cancer and brain stroke diagnostics, electrical impedance tomography for the prediction of respiratory diseases, smart wearable monitoring system for diabetic foot ulcer, and educational tool development for STEAM and engineering education. The department also hosts the Nano Metamaterials Lab, which is one of the 6 labs of HEC's National Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. ITU offers generous scholarships that include merit scholarships, Punjab Endowment Fund, HEC Ehsaas Program, pre-doctoral fellowship for PhD, assistantships and studentships from faculty members' R&D projects. In microwave and communication systems domain, we offer specialized courses and labs like RF and microwave circuits, antenna engineering, and digital signal processing. Our teaching focus is to train students on a complete engineering cycle involving modeling, design, device fabrication, and characterization. Our microwave and communication systems and digital signal processing labs have state-of-the-art NI equipment like vector network analyzers, software-defined radios, vector signal transceiver, communication trainers, mini-circuit devices, all-in-one virtual bench and antenna modules. During their degrees, students get rigorous hands-on training on this equipment as well as on various computational design tools like Cadence, Advanced Design System, CST and HFSS. These unique valuable skills are in high demand in Pakistan and worldwide and enable our students to secure jobs in strategic organizations and pursue higher studies abroad.
The Electrical Engineering Department of ITU is offering electronics as one of the specialized streams where our teaching and research is focused towards specialization in power electronics, semiconductors, digital, analog, and green electronics.
In the electronics stream, we offer basic to advanced courses such as electronic devices, circuit theory, electronic circuit design, very large-scale integrated circuits, and embedded systems. For the hands-on experience of the students, we are equipped with the state-of-the-art labs and resources such as regulated power supplies, training boards, oscilloscopes, high-end servers, and softwares including but not limited to Cadence, Microvision, and Cube IDE.
We train our students with essential skills in electronics that are important to their placement in job market as well as for higher education purposes.
Besides this, we are also involved in integrating the soft aspects of electronics to develop smart and innovative solutions for the local and global challenges. Apart from these teaching and training efforts, the Faculty of Engineering in general, the Electrical Engineering Department in particular, focused on the research and development in sustainability, photovoltaics, and smart energy.
We have developed indigenous solutions in our research labs such as smart solar power grass cutter, solar inverter, and indoor air purifier.
Computing stream of Electrical Engineering Department offers specialized courses to equip our students with applied soft skills including machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, large language models, and computer networks and security.
That enables our students to secure jobs in engineering design, software development companies, and to pursue higher education. ITU in general and Faculty of Engineering in specific is equipped with its own servers that our students use to train AI models and develop apps and design cutting-edge technologies.
In R&D perspective, we are a part of AI and computation lab where we focus on developing smart systems for engineering designs and healthcare diagnostics. Meanwhile, we are also exploring the possibility of quantum computing initiatives here at our department in collaboration with our international partners.
Control systems are the backbone of the engineering domain. Without them, it's hard to imagine the existence of advanced systems.
At the Electrical Engineering Department, we are equipped with a state-of-the-art lab where students are trained on the essential control engineering skills through problem-based learning.
We offer control system design and plan to extend it as a specialization.
Our teaching enables students to design customized control systems for various applications. On the application side, I'm part of the Aerial Control Systems Lab, where we are focused on developing control algorithms for modern systems such as UAVs, Iron Domes, swarming drones, combat zones, and much more.
If you want to equip yourself with hands-on skills in engineering, innovation and creation, and prepare yourself for a broader hardware and software job market, join us at Electrical Engineering Department of ITU.